Hey y'all, Cookie Cut Up Keeping It Real. I want to show you how I'm putting these cookies together, these Snickerdoodle pumpkin cheesecake cookies. And I've just made balls out of the cookie dough after it's chilled for about an hour. I'm going to put just a dollop. My hands are clean. I washed them and then I put some cooking spray on them. I'm going to put just a dollop of the cream cheese mixture on there. And then I'm going to put another little bit of cookie dough on top and kind of squeeze the edges together. And I'm just going to show you how to do one or two, and then I'm going to put them in the oven. I'll show you a picture of the finished product. But Cheryl Stainback is going to love these. She loves pumpkin stuff. Her kids make fun of her over it. And then you're going to roll it in your sugar and spice mixture, and then place it on your parchment paper. I'm going to do a thumbprint, kind of, like a little trough. See if that works a little bit better. This is kind of messy. But anyway, you want a little dollop in each one of your cream cheese. You're going to bake these for 10 to 12 minutes until they're brown on 350. And I'll show you a picture of the finished product. So Cooking Cut Up Keeping It Real, stay with me. Hey y'all, Cooking Cut Up Keeping It Real, taste test. Snickerdoodle pumpkin cheesecake cookies. I think I need another bite. I'm gonna wash it down with some pumpkin latte. Delicious. Try them. Great for this season. You don't really taste pumpkin, you taste cheesecake, kind of, and nutmeg, and ginger, and cinnamon. Delicious. Score. Have a good evening, cause it's Grey's Anatomy night. So I'll be off of social media except for on commercials. Take it easy.